Imagine a factory where robots outnumber humans, where new car parts come together every second, and a Tesla vehicle is almost fully built in just 40 seconds. It sounds like science fiction, yet it's completely real. This is Tesla's massive, ultra-advanced Gigafactory. Elon Musk calls it the machine that builds the machine, and the moment you see what's inside, the meaning becomes crystal clear. Automated systems, laser-guided bots, and intelligent machines operate together like a flawless orchestra. While most companies spend hours assembling a car, Tesla completes one every 40 seconds. This technology isn't just fast, it's redefining what the future of manufacturing could look like. Today, you're going to step inside this place and witness things that hardly seem possible. What exactly goes on inside Tesla's colossal factory? How are cars being produced in mere seconds? Stay with us until the end of the video. The story is just beginning. And before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss content like this. Tesla's Gigafactory isn't just any factory. It's a birthplace of the future. It stands as the world's largest electric car production site. Its size is so enormous that even after walking several kilometers inside, the end still seems far away. Located in places like Nevada and Texas, the space is filled with towering steel structures, roaring machines, and rapid automated lines stretching as far as the eye can see. Something new is created here every single second. People often say this isn't merely a car factory, it's a laboratory of tomorrow, where future technologies are built today. When Elon Musk envisioned this facility, his goal was simple: minimize human dependency and maximize the power of automation. In his words, the real innovation isn't the car, it's the machine that produces it. That idea gave birth to the Gigafactory. It's called Giga because its battery and vehicle production runs at gigawatt-hour levels, enough energy to power entire small nations. The mission isn't just making vehicles. It's pushing the world away from fossil fuels, like petrol and diesel. Every car built here is fully electric. No fumes, no engine noise, just pure, silent power. Thousands of motors, battery packs, and vehicles leave the facility every day. And what's most striking is how few humans you'll see. Robots handle almost everything with such precision that mistakes are nearly non-existent. Every section looks like it came straight from a sci-fi set. Metallic parts connect automatically along long assembly lines. Robotic arms spark with welding light, laser cutters slice metal with perfection, and overhead systems move in harmony. The entire environment feels alive, like you're standing inside one enormous, intelligent machine. Even the power that keeps this giant alive comes from above. Massive solar panels cover the roof, capturing sunlight to sustain the facility. This makes it one of the rare, fully eco-friendly industrial plants in the world. Looking at Tesla's automation, it feels like you're watching a machine from another dimension. Thousands of robots and AI systems work tirelessly, never stopping for even a moment. Gleaming metal parts, moving belts, synchronized mechanical movements, they're everywhere. More than 10,000 robots work together here. Each one has a job. Some build the frame, others weld, others paint, others inspect. It's like an orchestra where every instrument performs in perfect sync. Something is assembled every second. As soon as a frame reaches the line, a robot immediately grabs it and attaches the next piece. Another robot welds the joints with microscopic precision so nothing is misaligned. At the same time, a third robot prepares the next part. It all happens so quickly it feels unreal. This is why Tesla's facility is known as the fastest car factory in the world. And the speed is no exaggeration. A new vehicle rolls out every 40 seconds. While other companies need hours or even days, Tesla achieves it in under a minute. The process happens in stages. First, the battery pack is created. Special assembly lines weld together lithium-ion cells with incredible accuracy. These batteries are the heart of every Tesla, so perfection is mandatory. Then comes the frame. A gigantic casting machine, the Gigapress, produces huge portions of the car's structure in one shot. This machine is enormous, towering like a two-story building. It pours molten aluminum into molds with massive pressure, forming large sections of the vehicle in seconds. Before this, companies had to join dozens of small pieces. Now Tesla creates entire sections in one go. This saves time and makes the structure much stronger, with fewer joints and less chance of failure. The precision is extraordinary. Aluminum heated to around 700 degrees is injected, cooled within moments, and instantly taken by robots to the next line. Once the body is ready, it goes through paint. No smell, no dust, just perfect layers applied by synchronized robots. Humans step in only to ensure colors look flawless. After that, the car moves to assembly, where engines, seats, software, screens, and glass are installed. Here, humans and robots work side by side. Humans handle fine details and inspection, while machines handle heavy and repetitive tasks. Every moment, a new component joins the car: tires, doors, dashboards. Finally, the vehicle enters the testing line. AI checks everything: tire pressure, brake balance, sensors, software. If something is off, the system fixes it automatically. Then comes the last step, the track test. Speed, braking, battery efficiency, everything is examined before the car is approved for delivery. The heart of this whole operation, of course, is the Gigapress. It changed everything about car manufacturing. It turned hundreds of separate parts into just one or two large pieces, reducing weight, increasing strength, and halving production time. Sensors surrounding the machine constantly read temperature, pressure, alignment. If anything is slightly wrong, the machine halts and corrects itself. The result? Bodies so perfect they require minimal finishing. Less welding, less painting complexity, less energy wasted. That's why Tesla's cars cost less to build, yet come out stronger and more durable. And it doesn't stop at machines. Tesla created a factory that runs on sustainable energy. Thousands of solar panels power the facility. Excess energy is stored in massive battery systems for nighttime use. Waste is recycled. Aluminum scraps are melted back into production. Water is filtered and reused. Energy is conserved through smart insulation and sensor-guided lighting. Every detail is optimized, making this one of the cleanest industrial sites on Earth. But even in this world of machines, humans still matter. Workers oversee systems, analyze data, correct glitches, and make improvements. They're trained not just in mechanics, but in understanding how machines think, how to guide them, when to intervene. Data from every single process is constantly recorded and examined. If a robot slows or energy spikes, humans step in. As for Tesla's market impact, the company delivered over 1.789 million vehicles in 2024, a huge number despite global market instability. In 2023, Tesla delivered about 1.880 million, a slight decrease, but Musk didn't see it as a loss. He insists quality matters more than quantity. Tesla's long-term vision is bigger. Not just cars, but an entire ecosystem. Vehicles, charging networks, batteries. And with plans to exceed 2 million vehicles by 2025, the Gigafactory is running nonstop. New plants in China, Germany, and India will push production even higher. Tesla wants not only premium vehicles, but affordable models, expanding its reach worldwide. Of course, challenges exist: battery costs, competition, regulations, but Tesla remains the global leader in electric cars. The goal is clear: put a Tesla on every road on Earth. Now comes the most thrilling part: Elon Musk's next step. Tesla has already reshaped industries, but he isn't stopping. His next dream? A factory that builds itself. A place where machines repair machines, robots create robots, and production runs with zero human involvement. It sounds like science fiction, yet its early work is already happening. If cars can drive themselves, Musk says, factories can too. But that's not all. Musk is also exploring flying vehicles. He believes future traffic will rise into the sky. Lightweight bodies, ultra-fast charging, silent flight. Tesla is researching it all. They've developed batteries capable of lifting heavy engines off the ground. In coming years, we may see vehicles that drive on roads and then lift into the air with a single command. Musk's vision reaches even deeper. He imagines living factories, systems that learn, adapt, evolve, and improve themselves. Machines that think, grow, and reshape manufacturing forever. Many wonder if this is possible, but if anyone can do it, it's the man who made reusable rockets and turned electric cars into the world's fastest growing automotive sector. The future Tesla is building is massive. Factories that run themselves, cars that drive themselves, and maybe even cars that fly. If you believe this is just the beginning of the future, then like the video and subscribe to the channel.